Good afternoon from our first fun fair of the year here in Leeds, and I don't know who presents this fair, and I don't know whose rides they are. So we have Vinny's Waltzer. It looks like it's Swift's, I think. Swift's Miami Fever here. That Frontier over the back, I'm sure I've seen before, and we have a Dodgems and a Twister Funhouse and a couple of juvenile rides. So we are going to take you inside. It's really, really loud inside. What you kind of see here is what you get, and we'll show you at the end as we walk out kind of how big the fair is, but you can see it all from the entrance. So we're not going to do much speaking inside, slash any speaking inside, because the music is so loud. We're going to take you on the Miami once we're inside. It looks like it's been quite freshly done, looks really quite nice. We're going to take you on the Twister and we'll take you on the Waltzer. We may as well start with kind of the core rides of the 2020 season, the ones we're going to see the most. And then if we go to any bigger fairs along the way, we'll do the different rides. But we'll see quite a lot of these at home. That Frontier, I'm sure I've seen it before. It looks very, very familiar. Looks very familiar. There might be a few of them traveling the country, I don't really know. But it's definitely one I've been on before, a type I've been on before as well. But we'll take you inside now. As I said, we're not going to do any talking inside. I don't really see the point, to be honest with you. It's really, really loud. It's really, really small. But we're going to take you on the rides. We'll get some on and off ride footage. Cody's going to take you on the Waltzer. And then we'll sum up once we're out. Nice little fair. Nice to stumble across these little fairs when you're staying away. Nothing too serious, nothing too strenuous. But hey, some rides.
And what a silly scream! Scream! It's extreme!
So yeah, Swift's Fun Fairs, Miami Fever. Looks really nice actually, look really nice from the front as well. We'll take you around to where the Twister is. It is quite loud, it's very, very loud where the Twister is. There we go, there's the Twister, you can see the Waltzer down the back and the Dodgems. And we've taken you on some rides. So, mini Leeds Fun Fair is where we stopped out here. Cracking little fair, to be honest with you. As we said, we've got the Twister here. You've seen some footage of the frontier. We took you on the Waltzer. We've got Dodgems down the back. We're not up for Dodgems today. A couple of juvenile rides, Miami Fever and the Fun House. So we went on Miami Fever. Kurt's going to give you a rundown on that. Miami Fever was good. Brilliant. Kurt's review of the year. It's good.
As last year.
Jesus Christ.
I gave a good bit of airtime and it's smooth compared to the other Miamis that usually jolt and judder and make all sorts of noises.
So it is an over-the-shoulder straight Miami, so it's not as quick as the lap bar ones, but Kurt said it goes much quicker left when it's going around left. It does look like that as well from the off-ride footage.
And it was smooth.
And it was smooth. We like smooth. Kurt has then gone on the Twister. And then Cody's gone on the Waltzer.
Uncomfortable, but quick.
So the Waltzer hasn't got a lot of padding. It's a beautiful looking Waltzer. It's a beautiful looking Waltzer. Gent got out and gave him a push, and once it's pushed, as he said, he doesn't stop.
Constant spin.
Yeah, constant spin, and you'll see that as well from the POV that he's taking you on board of. It doesn't have a lot of padding on it, but you know, some of them don't, to be honest with you. Sometimes, Cody, you've just got to get a little bit hard
There's no padding.
core with these things.
Nothing.
Some of these classics rides are hardcore, and you just get on them and take it. So, you know, you're pampered too much with these fair trade ones, which are only it kind of goes on a fair trade one, or one that Clarence Biggs is like sitting on a sofa. You know, sometimes the old ones are the better ones, and that looked like it rode really, really well. Now I've avoided rides here because I'm desperate for the toilet, and there's no toilet here, so I've avoided the rides, and the boys have done the rides. That's the bottom line here. But this is our first fun fair of the year. Yeah, it's not a great long vlog, just no point. There's absolutely no point. You know, I can't buy a drink, I'm desperate for a wee. There's no toilets here whatsoever, so the boys have had good fun. It was £1 to get in. There are quite a lot of locals around here, which kind of walk past when it's just £1, so I kind of understand why they've charged £1 to get people in. On top of the £1, it's £2 a ride, so it's probably not the cheapest fair in the world, especially for a February fair, but still, you know, we've gone in, we've done the rides, job done, job done. First fair of the year complete. This is UK Theme Parks. We'll see you next time.